A student used ChatGPT smartly to craft their research statement. Applied to 4 scholarships: Fulbright, US, Chevening, UK, Erasmus, EU, and World Bank. Got shortlisted for all 4. Accepted Fulbright. They start their fully funded master's next month. A while back, a student reached out to me. They had applied for a Fulbright a few years but couldn't get past the interview. Their GRE, graduate record exam score, had become invalid. Their research interests had also changed substantially. They asked me if it was worth trying again. I encouraged them to take the GRE again and reapply. You will, I told them, get the scholarship this time. They took the GRE again and started working on their research statement. Since their research interests had changed significantly, they gather a lot of technical information. They took that information and used ChatGPT to synthesize it. They also used ChatGPT to make a case for why they wanted to move to a related but different field. They used ChatGPT extensively to brainstorm ideas and to make the strongest possible case for themselves. Once they had a draft ready, they sought their colleagues' feedback and revised it accordingly. For their interview, they wrote answers to potential questions and ran their answers through ChatGPT. They asked ChatGPT to rewrite their answers so they would make sense to non-specialists. They practiced these answers and crushed their interview. They were not satisfied with their GPA and the GRE score. But their research statement was so strong and interview performance so impressive, they won the Fulbright grant. Here's what they didn't do. They didn't ask ChatGPT to draft a research statement for them. They used it as a brainstorming partner and drafted the statement themselves. Then they sought feedback from their colleagues.